everyone, I'm AJ Guys. I'm a team leader of Team Genesis. Genesis means refers to a gem like our world and her some ordinate to say. I love her with a characteristic of an admirable and exceptionally kind gem. I'm here digital citizen. Those characters are so valuable and precious. Our precious gem founder embodies strength like clarity, durability, purity, and brilliance. She also empowers her subordinate citizen to become bright and be uplifted to shine like a gemstone. Ang masasabi ko lang, kahit marami tayong struggle or misunderstanding, kaya pa rin natin labanan. Laban lang tayo hanggang sa dulo. Ayan, go fighting!
Hi everyone! Ako nga pala si AJ Jacqueline ng Team Jimmy James. The body world, like fantastic. It's fantastic, you can press my hand and just be everywhere. Imagination, what is your creation? I'm in body world, in the body world, like fantastic. It's fantastic, you can press my hand and dress me everywhere. Imagination, what is your creation?
Hello guys! Ako nga pala si EJ Jess ng Team Gemisense. Papasalamat po ako kay Founder kasi napasali po ulit ako sa pa-challenge niya. Marami po akong mga naging kaibigan at talagang masaya po talaga sa EJ family. Thank you po, Founder!
Hello everyone, I am EJ Ginger from Team Gemisense, EJ Dials. Enjoy the PLC Challenge, the Septo Party Live Challenge. God bless everyone!
Hello everyone, ako pala si EJ Jo Anten ng Team Genesis. Salamat kay Manager Barbie na siyang kumumbinsin na sumali ako sa PLC Challenge na ito. First time ko sumali sa PLC Challenge na ito. Marami akong natutunan. Thank you everyone!
Hello everyone, good morning. I'm AJ Bunso, 82357707 from Gemisense team under of team leader by TL Dice. Ayan, i-enjoy lang po natin yung challenge na to. And wag po tayo padadala sa init ng ulo. Let's enjoy guys. Thank you and good luck.
Hey everyone, and this is AJ Rensel with the user ID 418177055 from Team Gemisense. Ako po ay 1 year na po dito sa AG Agency and ini-invite ko po ang lahat ng mga hindi pa nakasali sa aming agency at sa mga AG Angels na maging active po tayo dito sa ating agency kasi dito po sa ating agency sabay tayong aangat. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo dyan? Join na po kayo sa aming AG agency with a user ID 3494747. Yan lang po at maraming salamat. God bless ang lahat.
Hello everyone. This is EJ Lilia with user ID number 290-44588. Ang Ruby Gem ng Team Gemisense. Passionate and energetic. Willing to do tasks to achieve the goals. Dahil lahat ng EJ ay may karakteristik na kagaya ng isang gem. Thank you. God bless.
Hello everyone, this is EJ Josa, baby of EJ family. We are undefeated legend of Jemizen's family. Hello everyone, this is EJ Jo.